All right, one more example of finding the roots of polynomials. First, we check. Is there anything to factor out of the whole thing? No, too bad for us. You could try, well, you can't really try. Even if you plugged in a zero placeholder, if you tried to factor by grouping, this is not going to work. So we are just going to find our list of possible rational roots. So we start by listing the factors of the coefficient. I keep saying that. Of the constant, sorry. What is my constant? 1. What are the factors of 1? 1. Now I want my factors of the leading coefficient. And what is my leading coefficient? 2, and the factors of 2 are just 1 and 2. So, to get my possible rational roots, take all of your factors of the constant and divide it by each of your factors of the leading coefficient. 1 divided by 1 is 1. 1 divided by 2 is a half. Don't forget plus and minus for both of these. All right, so again, we're pretty lucky. That's a pretty short list. It gets more annoying when your two n numbers have a lot of factors, because then your list gets so much bigger. All right, but ours is nice. There's only 4. So now we're just going to pop them in using synthetic division and hope for a remainder of 0. This time, however, I do need a 0 placeholder because I have 3, 2, I'm missing x to the first, and then I have the 1. So when I go to write my coefficients, it's going to be 2, -3, and then what? 0, and then 1. Do not forget 0 placeholders when you need them, because if you don't have it, nothing's going to work out right. So, let's just plug in 1, see what happens. 2, 2, -1, -1, -1, -1. Hey, all right. We're getting pretty lucky with these. So, on the very first one, I found a 0. So now I know my factors are x minus 1, right? That 0 came from that factor. And then these are the coefficients of what's left over. So now it's 2x squared minus x minus 1. And now I'm down to a quadratic, which I know how to solve. I think we just did this. We just did the same one. Yeah, right here was another one where we had 2x squared minus x minus 1. So when we factored that, we got x minus 1 and x plus a half. So just to save ourselves some time, this just factors into x minus 1, x plus a half. Don't forget to bring down the x minus 1 from before. So my zeros for this will be what? 1. You got it. 1 with a multiplicity of 2, because I got it twice, and a -1/2. I'm supposed to have 3 answers, and there they are.